Hi guys, welcome to my video. So this is going to be my next design in my green nails series. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this nail is I'm going to encapsulate some dried flowers in some rubber gel. I've never tried it before, so let's see how that works out. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the dried flowers onto the nail, and because I'm going to be encapsulating, it doesn't really matter what type of glue you use as long as it holds it down. And so I'm using this Martha Stewart craft glue that comes with the glitters, and it dries clear. So that's what I'm gonna hold these down with, and then I will encapsulate over that. Okay, now to hold those down, I'm going to use a piece of clear plastic. Just for a few seconds to hold those in place. Alright, so this is the final nail with the encapsulation of the flowers, the dried flowers in the rubber gel. Turned out really nice. It encapsulated the flowers really well, and I added some gems to enhance the design, and I'm really happy with the result. It's really good for encapsulating dried flowers. Very, very good. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell so you can be notified the next time I upload a video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care everyone. Bye.